Somebody asked me the update on what's happening on Old B's bar. So this is what I'm trying to show you now. This is how the bar looks like after old tiles is taken on. And he just leave it like this, and he got all his wood that I bought in Talisay because he wanted to do that for the ceiling, but he told me that he's gonna be waiting for some tools to come. And look at all the dust. So I've been nagging him that when is this gonna be finished? When is this gonna be finished? And typical old B tells me that maybe by Christmas or maybe next year. And so I've been keeping on to him that why don't you just put tiles on the floor instead of this parquet crap. So I just want to get the dust off my hair. You know? Dust off out of the house, I mean, for those people that don't know that expression. But this is how the bar looks like as of the moment. Just dust and a big open space, but that's my old B. You can't change him. So, and even this wood that he plans to put on the ceiling, I might just put it in the storeroom and just paint the ceiling if I have to. If it does not done to the December, which is what he think that he's gonna be finished. But here is what you're asking for, the update on Old B's bar. Just a big open space ready to work on. There, all the floor has been scrubbed flat.